up, YouTube? Solojay back with another video, and today, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, as y'all can see, I'm gonna be giving y'all some low-key streetwear brands that y'all can go ahead and cop from today. Now, as y'all can see, the scenery that I'm in is a little bit different from normal. As y'all know that right now I am in college, so I am looking for some different places to do these type videos. If y'all don't know, there's some music playing in the background, so I will be using my voice memo on my phone. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start a screen record and get right into these brands, so I can go ahead and give y'all these low-key brands that y'all can go ahead and cop from today. As y'all know, it is September, so in the month of September, I will be giving y'all some brands that y'all can go ahead and cop from. I will be adjusting the areas because they do have some copyrighted music, and it is late at night, so we on the grind. I'm about to go ahead in the Instagram, head to the brands playlist, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. Now that we are in the brands playlist, I will be showing y'all some brands. So the first brand we do have is hypedepartment.co. So as y'all can see, they do got some flare pants that y'all can go ahead and cop from as well. We're gonna go ahead and click on the brand page too. And as y'all can see, they do got some flares. They got these look like Draco slides, but they do have some Dennis Rodman teams. They got beanies. If y'all want $25 beanies, we're gonna go ahead and click on their links. And mind y'all, if I do sound a little bit like, you feel me, I got a little sinus. I went to the beach, bro. I sniffed some salt water that bit. But besides the point, they do got some $70 flares that you can go ahead and cop from. They do have like some wash, reddish, oranges. They do have some blue, and they do have gray/black. That's basically the brand. They do have 23.3K on the ground that y'all can go ahead and cop from them as well. They do sell balaclavas, but just make sure y'all go ahead and cop. They do have free worldwide shipping, so if y'all want to go buy something from them, y'all make sure y'all go cop from them as well. Next brand, we do have Loaded.Society. So this is the restock. They dropped September 8th at 12 a.m. So y'all can make sure, this was 6 days ago, the ATL. Y'all can go ahead and shop from them as well. Let's click on their Shopify right quick. And they got a whole bunch of different tees that y'all can go ahead and cop from. $45 shorts, some Young Thug tees. They got discounts and all that other stuff. They have $3,700 on the ground. So yeah, everything that y'all want, y'all can go ahead and cop for them. Shorts, shirts, hoodies. Whatever y'all want, they got it for you. The site is now open, so y'all make sure y'all go tap in with Loaded.Society on Instagram. Next brand, we do have Only Unthinkable. As y'all can see, this is my brand. This is the front and back mock-up for my brand. We can go ahead and click on the link in the description, and they have $30 Unthinkable tees. This is the front. As y'all can see, that is the back as well, so y'all can go ahead and get y'all a $30 tee. Like, they got white and gray, so y'all make sure y'all go cop. It's Only Unthinkable on Instagram, 80 followers, and Solojay is the brand owner, so y'all make sure y'all go follow him as well. Look at his pics, you feel me? Look at him, man, pics. Up and coming YouTuber, man. Look at it, man. That's basically Only Unthinkable. So if whether y'all want a white or a gray tee, or if you want both, y'all make sure y'all go cop their $30, and yeah, they will be shipped to you. They literally like 1 day shipping, literally, because of the UPS. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all go cop. Next brand, we do have the Super Made. As y'all don't know, this brand has a lot to offer between shirts, shoes, jewelry, everything. So this they have everything for you. So it's a full range on their website. It's global shipping, so whether you international or domestic, they got it for you. And they just have a lot. They have different type of collabs. They have different type of pants. As y'all know, I love my pants. I start with pants with everything before I even start my outfit. So yeah, y'all go with pants. If y'all want some jackets, hoodies, shirts, graphic tees, sleeveless tees, whatever y'all want, they're gonna have it for you. So whatever you want, they have over 236,000 on Instagram. So they're legit. Y'all make sure y'all go type in their website and follow them at the Super Made on Instagram. Next brand. Last but not least, we do have Quiet Club Studio. As y'all can see, they have this brownish, tannish Quiet Club, hoodie that they got to offer. Let's go ahead and click on their page. They have 28.3K on the ground. Like I said, it's Quiet Club Studio, so y'all make sure y'all go tap in with them on Instagram. They do have brownish, tannish, they do have blue, they have shirts, they have shorts, they have a lot of different things to offer for yourself. So whether y'all want to go buy it, y'all can go ahead and buy it. Y'all can go ahead and click on the link that they do have in their description. And as y'all can see, they do have $130, $110 sweatpants. If you want to you want to just get the hoodie itself, or whether you just want to get the pants itself, you can mix and match it. So whatever you want, just be tuned and tap in with them. This is the Quiet Club Studios. I was looking through all my For You page today, and I was seeing a whole bunch of different brands. So I'm about to go ahead and keep on spamming it. The next video might be in a different location, or it might just be in the same location. I do not know. But this is something different that I'm trying for myself now that I am in college. And yeah, it's not gonna be the room that y'all see, the signature room in the background. This is really an adjustment for real. So just bear with me as I do find a new place that I'm able to, record in the daytime and not have this lame ass music playing in the background. Because bro, it's literally 11:46, bro. Why are they playing music here, bro? Anyway, and say if I do find a good place, bro, this might just be the place that I record. But y'all gonna have it. It's gonna sound a little bit weird because it's gonna be in my voice memo. So just bear with me. Enjoy the video. Y'all are getting some brands while this quality is getting better and everything like that. So just enjoy the video, like the video, subscribe if you are new, follow me on Instagram right here at imsolojay. And yeah, y'all stay tuned, tap in with everything. I do got some pics that y'all can go ahead. So y'all tap in with these pics right here. Appreciate y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. It is Solojay, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Dang, I just realized, bro, I can't even, bro, I used to just go peace and then go all the way. The camera is literally so far back that I can't even.